some of our YouTube viewers ask this simple question like, what are the basic steps of meditation? So let me explain these basic steps. So these you can see in the front, like for example, it starts with a very physical exercise. So any meditation which should start with the physical exercise are the first thing to start with, and then it should reach to the next stage, which is called the pranayama. The physical exercise must be done 10 to 15 minutes according to depending on your capacity. And then the pranayama thing. Pranayama is at least four pranayama. I suggest like the Vastrika, Anulom Vilom, Kapalbhati, and Brahmari. These four pranayama you must do. And then you can start with the prayer. The prayer must is simply a prayer connected to the universe that I am surrendered to you. Please help me out. Oh God, please help me out. This prayer you can do to your spirit guide, your guru or your guide, and then you start your meditation. Now, which meditation is a different topic. Right? Whichever meditation you are doing, at least do it for 2 to 3 weeks, and then stay in silence for some time after the meditation is over. Stay in silence for some time, and then you must repeat some affirmation because that's the time when your subconscious mind is directly connected. So that's the most beautiful time when you must give some affirmation, and it is the beautiful time to connect to your subconscious mind and program it so that the next time it becomes very easy for the subconscious mind to connect. So I hope you understand my point. So this is how you should start uh, with the steps of meditation. Anything you have in your mind, you can simply ask it here, and I will try to reply you. Also, you should search our Mission James Mind channel as well. So I suppose that you are connected over there as well. So thank you very much. बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. Thank you.